guys, it's Lisa here. I'm just thought I would do a diamond painting unboxing for you today. So this is a kit that I ordered recently on AliExpress, and the company who were advertising this kit on AliExpress were called Zooya. I believe I've ordered two kits from these guys, so I think this one, because I ordered it first, is Girl with Wolf. But we'll wait and see what's in the box, because I think it's that kit. So I ordered this on the 15th of July. It was posted out to me on the 19th. Now, with AliExpress, and I don't know whether this is a common thing, there was a slight change in the exchange rate, so it delayed the thing being posted, so it delayed the painting being posted by a couple of days, because I didn't realise, and I went back onto AliExpress to check, and I had to acknowledge the change in exchange rate. So I actually ended up getting it slightly cheaper than I thought I would, which is a good thing. So I ordered it on the 15th, it was posted on the 19th, and it arrived here in the UK on the 28th of July. So I think that is really fast, to be fair. So considering, yeah, it's about, what, 9 days for it to be posted across, I think it's brilliant. So this kit cost me $36.27, which equates to about £27.67, that's British pounds. So, you know, best part of £30 spent, but, you know, I think all in all, in terms of packaging, in relation to what I received not that long ago, I mean, this is what you would expect a kit of that price to ship in, so it feels pretty solid. Yeah, it's had a knock, as you would expect, but you know, I think on the whole I'm pretty pleased with the condition of arrival. It's been well packaged, and so far I'm pretty happy with this. I have already measured the box. The width of the piece I've ordered is 60, so it's 60 by 60 centimetre piece. The box is 70, so I know that this particular diamond painting hasn't been folded to fit in the box or anything like that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that at the moment. So I think the best thing to do is get into it and get it opened. So I've got my scissors at the ready, so I'm just going to go in and try and cut through this plastic here. Be careful not to, I think it's just the box underneath, so we'll just cut through and see what we have inside. Hopefully I'm not getting my head in the shot. I probably am. Apologies. So that's what we've got. Aha! So, fashion diamond paintings. Yeah, I love the Chinese translations. I think they're so sweet. But yeah, that's what we've got. So yeah, good to see it arriving in a box. You have no idea how happy this makes me, guys. But I will let you know how I'm getting on with my issue with the previous kit I ordered. It's still ongoing. You wouldn't believe the drama I'm having with that seller. So yeah, I will provide you with an update as we go. So oh, that's nice. So in terms of like kit, it's different to what you normally get. Like normally you get like the green boat, but actually I've got one of the white ones that are sort of funnel shape, so that'll be really handy, to be fair, to get the the diamonds or the drills back into the containers that I've got. So I'm pleased, because I don't have one of these. Pink wax, tweezers, and obviously the standard pink pen that you would expect, so I'm pleased about that. And then I'm just going to reach inside the box and see what we've got. So, woo, random bit of thing. I think it's an elastic band. Yeah, that's pretty empty now. So we have, oh, a sticky bit there. I'll just roll this. Yeah. So we've got the drills here. So I'll go through and do an inventory of those. But yeah, the colours are amazing. And there's a picture here of the actual piece that I'll be doing. Obviously I put a photograph in for you so you can have a better look, but oh god, I love this so much. So oh God, look at how well the drills are packaged. Oh God, I'm so excited, honestly, after the disaster I got last time. I'm just delighted with this. So I am going to just get everything sort of moved about a little bit, then I'm going to show you the canvas and I'll show you the drills as well. So I want to do a bit of an inventory as well, just to make sure that everything's here. So bear with me, I'll be right back in a moment. So I finished the inventory, guys, and as expected, everything is here. I mean, to be honest, with the quality of what I've just opened, I would be surprised if it wasn't. One thing I do want to show you, which I really do like about this, is every single packet has the number stamped right in the middle, and I don't know whether or not you'll be able to see, but it's actually stamped in gold. So it really does stand out, and every single package without fail, as I've gone and done the inventory, is marked in this way. And you know what I opened last time. In relation to this, in relation to that, I couldn't be more thrilled, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just absolutely over the moon with this. So we'll get onto the canvas now. I think that's the most important thing, and hopefully this will match the quality of the rest of the kit. So as I said, I went for the 60 by 60, which was the biggest of this design, the biggest size of this design that this particular seller sold. So I went big. There's 37 different colours in this, so hopefully it will provide some real depth of shade within this. I'm really hoping that it looks good. I mean, all that you've got on the canvas, to be fair, is a bit of minor creasing from where it's been sort of rolled round the drills in the box. And to be honest, it's like nothing, is it? I mean, it'll straighten out, and I'm so not concerned about that. So I'm going to peel back some of the canvas, some of the top layers, so you can have a look at the canvas. So I'll probably work this way first. So apologies if my head gets in the way as I peel this back, but we'll have a good look at what we've got. So this side should be the girl. So I'm actually more bothered about like the features on her face than anything. So I wanna make sure that it's gonna look decent. As you know, yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it? As you know, the kit I got to start with, you know, the rose kit that I got via Amazon, it was only, peeling off the thing, it was only a 30 by 30. So, you know, I am enjoying doing that, but like the depth, well, the loss of, I guess, detail is the bigger problem. But yeah, I think that's going to look pretty good, isn't it? I mean, as you can see, it's really nice, isn't it? I think that's going to look great when it's done. So so yeah, I'm delighted with that. So they've cut the top paper into 3, which is really useful. I mean, I'll probably trim this down further yet, maybe, you know, cut it into 6, just so I haven't got as much of the sticky surface exposed as that. I think that's probably a little too much for my personal liking. Not that I'm, you know, a what's it of this, you know, an expert in any way, but just by what's happened with the previous kit, I feel like I've learned quite a lot from, you know, just working on that first project. I mean, it's not rocket science, to be fair, is it? But I think you do learn quite quickly with this. But I'll be uploading a video on sort of what I've learned in like the first month of diamond painting, and some sort of top tips and tricks for people who are just getting started, you know, right from technique to equipment, really. So I'm going to open up the wolf side. Oh, look at him. Oh my god, he's so cute. Yeah, I mean, this is fab, isn't it? Oh my god. Yeah, the detail on this is great, and yeah, I mean, I knew, to be fair, that I was probably going to have to go quite large with these, but yeah, I mean, you know, go big or go home, isn't it, with some of these. But I do like detail. I mean, for any of you who follow me on FlossTube, you know my sort of background is cross stitch, and I do like the heaven and earth designs in particular because of the level of detail that you get in them. I mean, I do really love detail. I'll just pick it up like that. I don't know whether that's making any difference in terms of the light. I don't think it is. But yeah, thrilled. I mean, 100% based on the quality of the kit, you know, the level of service, you know, it was so quick, you know, from China to the UK, you know, in like 9 days. I think that's phenomenal. The quality of the setup, you know, even from, you know, the tools that they've sent out, you know, that little white boat with the funnel rather than the usual green boat. So that's not closed properly, I'll come and do that in a moment. But I just, yeah, the way they've labelled up the drills, the canvas quality, packaging, you know, to make sure it arrives in pristine condition. You know, I couldn't be more thrilled, and I couldn't like advocate the seller more. So, you know, I'll put the link to the seller. They do some beautiful designs. I mean, I have another one coming which I'm again so excited about, because if it's anything like this in terms of quality, which I really hope it is, I'm going to be over the moon. So yeah, I'll put the link for the seller below, and obviously the link to this particular design if you like it. And yeah, and I hope it helps. I mean, yeah, it's brilliant, so I'm over the moon. So yeah, I will catch you soon, guys. Take care, see you soon, bye.